Yeah, I know. Nice bedroom, nice everything. That's my bed. That's where I deal with the girls. Dad pond, you know. Oh man, what nice water. Nice water.
Jordan from 3.
Listen to my buttocks. That's called a cleaner. Oh man, I feel bad.
It's like a waterfall.
Oh, I feel bad for the owner.